In this video, we will look at trigonometric identities and equations. So first we'll look at quadrant. So as you all know, from 0 to 360 degree, we have 4 quadrants. Quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3, and quadrant number 4. So quadrant number 1 is from 0 to 90 degree. Whereas for quadrant number 2 is from 90 to 180 degree. Quadrant number 3, 180 to 270 degree. And finally, quadrant number 4 is from 270 degree to 360 degree. So in quadrant number 1, all trigonometry are positive. So it means that sine, tangent, and cos are positive in quadrant number 1. Whereas in quadrant number 2, only sine is positive. Quadrant number 3, only tangent is positive. And finally, for quadrant number 4, only cosine is positive, or we know as cos is positive. So let's look at example 1. Show each of the following angles in separate diagram and state the quadrant. If we have 200 and let's say question number 1, question example number 1A. Now we have 225 degree. As you all know, this is quadrant. Start with 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270 degree, and finally 360 degree. So 225 is around here. Here is 180 until 275. So 225 is around here. Here is 225 degree. So here is quadrant number 3. And we have to learn how to find this angle based on x-axis. So 225 minus 180 is 45 degree. So here is 45 degree. Now we move on to question B. Let's say 330 degree. So again, we have 4 quadrants. Start with 0, 90, 180, 270, and finally 360 degree. So 330 degree is around here. So here is 330 degree. So 330 degree is located at quadrant number 4. So and the angle between the x-axis. So we need to know to find this angle by using 360 minus 330 degree. So here is 30 degree. So the angle is based on x-axis, not y-axis. Finally, question C, 120 degree. So the first angle, 0, 90, 180, 270, and finally 360 degree. So 210 is, so 210 is around here. So let's say here is 120 degree. So here is in quadrant number 2. So 120 degree is in quadrant number 2, and we need to know how to find this angle. So this angle is 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So this is how we're going to determine the angle and the quadrant.